Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I will be showing you all how to make boneless pork chops and gravy. You see here I bought 1.5 pounds of boneless pork chop. You can use a bone in or whatever meat you have. And the seasonings I will be using is complete seasoning, Lawry's seasoned salt, poultry seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper, and paprika. I use 1 teaspoon for all the seasoning except the poultry seasoning, which I only use 1/2 teaspoonful. And these seasonings are optional. After you're done cleaning and washing your meat, you want to take your season and season both sides of the meat. And as soon as you're done seasoning your meat, make sure you pat and rub your meat. Marinate for 30 minutes. Heat up around 1 cup of oil of your choice. Guys, when you frying your meat, please don't overcrowd your pan. I'm cooking the meat 3 minutes on each side. I just want them to brown just a little, and then I'll finish cooking it in the gravy when I smother it. So right here, I drained off most of the oil and left 3 tablespoons full of oil, and I added 1 tablespoon full of butter. The butter is optional. I added 1 cup of frozen onions and green bell peppers. Again, this is optional step. I wish I had a lot of fresh onions, I would prefer, but I didn't have it this time, so that's why I'm using this. But you can use whatever you want to use vegetable in your stir. And as you stirring your vegetables around, try to kind of scrape the bottom of the pan to get all the good stuff from the bottom. I didn't want to use any flour in this recipe. Next time I probably will, but I'm going to add in 1.5 tablespoon full of cornstarch. Stir everything together for about 1 to 2 minutes. I'm adding 1/2 cup of water until I get my consistency. So altogether I added around 3 cups of water. Keep stirring until your gravy thickens. And so right here, I decided to add mushrooms. I know a lot of people don't like mushrooms. You don't have to add this, but I pretty much like mushrooms. This is the consistency I like. I did not want to make a thick gravy, so that's why I used cornstarch this time and not flour. Keep adding a little water at a time to get your desired consistency. I had a little leftover seasoning, which I seasoned my gravy with. So after seasoning, make sure you put all your meat in the pan with the gravy. Let simmer for about 10 to 12 minutes.